In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make column borders in Microsoft Word. If you have text arranged in multiple columns in a Word document and you want to add borders around those columns, Microsoft Word provides an easy way to format them. Adding borders can make the columns easier to distinguish and can give your document a more organized appearance. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add borders to the columns. Next, select the text that is arranged in columns. Make sure you select the section where you want the column borders to appear. Now, go to the Layout tab at the top of the Word window. In the Page Setup section, click Columns and choose the number of columns you want for your selected text. Once the text is divided into columns, go to the Design tab. Look for the Page Background section and select Page Borders. The Borders and Shading window will open. From here, you can adjust the border settings for your document. However, if you want borders specifically around the individual columns, you can use the column settings to add a vertical line between the columns. Go back to the Layout tab, click Columns, and select More Columns. In the Columns dialog box, you'll see the Line Between option. Select this option to add a vertical line between the columns. You can also adjust the number of columns and their width from this same window if needed. Once you've made your selections, click OK to apply the changes. You should now see a vertical border or dividing line between your columns, making each column easier to identify. Keep in mind that the Line Between option creates a line between the columns rather than a complete box around each column. If you need a full border surrounding each individual column, additional formatting may be required. After applying the column border, review your document to make sure the lines are positioned correctly and that the text still has enough space. And that's how you can add borders between columns in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,